A credit builder only helps if the cost stays low enough for you to keep using it consistently. Paying unnecessary monthly fees can erase the value of improving your credit history. By the end of this video, you'll know how to compare low-cost credit builder products, and which features matter more than marketing claims. The first thing to check is the monthly cost. Some credit builder products charge a subscription every month, while others use a one-time setup fee, or no recurring fee at all. Always calculate the total amount you'll pay over the entire time you plan to use the service instead of focusing on the advertised monthly price. Next, look at how the product builds your credit. Some companies report a secured credit card to the major credit bureaus. Others offer a credit builder loan where your payments are reported each month. A third group reports recurring payments through a subscription service. These products work differently, so compare them based on the type of credit history you want to build. Another important factor is whether your money remains yours. With many credit builder loans, your payments are held until the loan ends, and then returned to you, minus any applicable fees or interest. With secured credit cards, your security deposit is generally refundable if you close the account in good standing. Understanding where your money goes helps you compare the real cost. Don't ignore extra fees. Some products include annual fees, late payment fees, expedited funding charges, or optional premium memberships. A product with a low monthly price can become much more expensive once those extra charges are added. Customer experience also matters. Check whether the company has a mobile, automatic payments, account alerts, and responsive customer support. Those features won't directly improve your credit score, but they make it easier to stay on schedule and avoid missed payments. If you're comparing several options, create a simple checklist. Write down the monthly cost, any annual or setup fees, whether all major credit bureaus receive payment reports, the minimum commitment period, and whether you get your deposit or savings back. Looking at everything side by side usually makes the cheapest long-term option much easier to spot. The best credit builder product isn't automatically the one with the lowest advertised price. It's the one with the lowest total cost while consistently reporting your payment history and fitting your budget. To sum up, compare the total cost instead of just the monthly fee, watch for hidden charges, and choose a product that reports your payments consistently. Your next step is to compare the fee schedules of your top 3 choices before applying. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides on credit and personal finance.